Today I'm making a delicious corned beef Reuben. I have a corned beef brisket, point cut. I'm going to go ahead and take that out of the wrapping, and then I'll put that in the crock pot and cook that for 8 to 9 hours. I will cook that on high for the first 2 hours, and then for the remainder of the time I'll turn that down to low. I also have a seasoning packet in this that I'm going to go ahead and add to the crock pot, and also enough water to cover it. I did end up cooking this for 9 hours. I just got busy and let it go, but the longer it cooks on low, the more tender it is. This is actually so tender, I had trouble getting it out of the crock pot, and trying to slice it is impossible because it just fell apart. So yes, it's very, very tender and flavorful. You always want to cut against the grain, and that's what you see me doing here, even though it's just pretty much falling apart. I have some rye bread, sauerkraut that I'm letting drain of all the juices, Thousand Island dressing, and some Swiss cheese. I'm going to butter one side of each slice of bread because I'm going to put that in a skillet and toast the sandwiches just like you would if it were a grilled cheese. After you get the bread buttered, you can go ahead and be heating up your skillet that you're going to toast this in, and just pile this with all of the ingredients, as much or little of the corned beef and the sauerkraut, Swiss cheese, and Thousand Island dressing as you would like. It's your sandwich, so make it the way you like. I'm using the New York style rye bread. Just use whatever bread you prefer. Either way, it's going to be delicious. It's kind of hard to mess up a Reuben. They are just so good. And some people actually like to use pumpernickel bread. I've done that as well, and I like that too. So now I'm going to put this in the skillet and toast both sides and let the cheese melt. Then I'll cut that in half and it'll be ready to serve. And this is absolutely delicious. I hope you give it a try. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.